In the previous video we learned about the qualitative risk analysis using different technique which help to know the quality of risk that high, medium or low. In this video, let's quantify the risk by using quantitative risk analysis. Quantitative risk management is a project management technique that measures risks using numbers. Instead of simply saying a risk is high or low, it estimates how much money or time the risk could affect the project. Let's understand this with example. A project manager identifies a heavy rainfall as the risk in the project. He estimates cost impact if it happens as 20 lakhs. Project manager identifies another risk as labor shortage. The cost impact for this is 30 lakhs. Based on the impact, the project manager prioritizes the labor shortage risk and takes immediate action while the heavy rainfall risk is prioritized later. This process of measuring the effect of risks using numerical values is known as quantitative risk analysis. So qualitative risk analysis, rank the risk as high, medium or low. While qualitative risk analysis measure the risks in numbers to estimate their effect on cost, schedule, and project objectives. Now let's learn the step-by-step process how to do quantitative risk analysis. One of the most popular method to do the quantitative risk analysis is expected monetary value. Let's understand the complete process of quantitative risk analysis using the expected monetary value (EMV) technique through a simple, real-world example. Imagine you're constructing a 10-floor office building. One identified risk is heavy rainfall. The project manager estimates the risk probability as 60%. Now from where does this 60% comes from? Actually there is no formula to estimate the probability of happening of the risk. The project manager estimates based on the project scenario, historical evidence, expert judgment, or statistical models. Now let's estimate the expected financial impact if this risk occurs. If heavy rain occurs, the project work will need to be put on hold for 10 days, causing a 10-day delay in the project schedule. If cost per day equals 5,000. So total financial impact is 10 multiplied by 5,000, that is $50,000. Expected monetary value can be calculated as 60% of 50,000, that is $30,000. This means that, on average, this risk is expected to bring a financial loss of $30,000. There is another risk identified by the project manager, that is unexpected rock formation during excavation. He estimates the probability of occurrence of the risk as 40%. If rock is encountered, additional excavation cost is $20,000, so the financial impact is $20,000. So the expected monetary value is 40% of 20,000, that is $8,000. So now that you have got the expected monetary value for both the risk, it's time to compare and prioritize. Based on the expected monetary value, we can say the cost impact caused due to heavy rainfall is much higher and requires immediate action, so this can be prioritized over the other risk. Don't just identify risks, act on them. Apply this method to your project to make faster, smarter risk decisions and ensure you never miss a critical moment in your project's success. So that's how we assign the numerical value to the risk, that is expected monetary value, and do the quantitative risk analysis to prioritize the risk. In the next video, we'll learn decision tree analysis, another powerful technique for prioritizing project risks and making better decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.